Hey GFS friends, we had an awesome RV adventure where we went to Dollywood in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And then we drove up north to Sandusky, Ohio to experience Cedar Point and their water park called Cedar Point Shores. We're going to show you who has the best water park. Is it Cedar Point or is it Dollywood? But first I'm going to show you a little bit of our RV adventure where our GPS took us on a wrong turn. We ended up in the back country of Tennessee around some winding roads. And a little interesting when you're driving a Class C RV and you're not sure if you're going to make it around certain hairpin curves. But we eventually got to the main strip in Pigeon Forge where the GPS sent us down another wrong way street. So we had to backtrack and then make it to our resort called Camp Margaritaville, which was absolutely incredible. If you own an RV, I highly recommend checking out Pigeon Forge Margaritaville RV. We'll make some videos on it later on the channel.
Today we're going to Dollywood Splash Country and hopefully I'm going to get another wristband. Welcome to Dollywood Splash Country Water Park.
One of the first things you'll notice when you walk into Dollywood Splash Country is the lazy river. You go over this little bridge and you see a bunch of people having fun in the sun as they're having a lazy, relaxing experience going down the river. Then you come to the main entrance to the lazy river. It's a cascading waterfall, and you gotta try and stay away from the waterfall unless you're hot and you just want to get cooled off real quick. I guess the best way I can describe our experience is it was just scenic and beautiful. If you're not familiar with Splash Country Dollywood, it's located on approximately 35 acres in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, just on the entrance point into the Smoky Mountains. And so it's kind of like really going down a river through the mountains. It's just beautiful, the trees and the green grass, especially for us coming from Arizona where grass doesn't grow unless you're watering every single day. It's really neat to see the green trees and the wildlife as you're just relaxing on your inner tube and just taking in the sights of Tennessee. It's just a beautiful campus, so to speak.
Yeah, and I'm just floating in the water.
Splash Country is voted a top 10 outdoor water park by USA Today readers. And here's a 25,000 square foot wave pool. Say the waves are about 2 feet high, and if you pan off to the right, you'll see the tallest twin speed slides in the whole state of Tennessee. This slide is called Fire Tower Falls. You can see us waving. I wanted to make sure Gracie goes down first, so there she goes. Because I didn't want to go down the slide, only to find out that she was still up there. They have over 16 rides and attractions at Splash Country, and we love them all. Now we're heading back to the RV. We're going to dry out our swimsuits and our beach towels and relax by the campfire, have some s'mores and some dinner. Because tomorrow we're headed to Sandusky, Ohio to check out Cedar Point Shores, where it's been ranked the #1 water park in the United States by Travel + Leisure magazine.
You guys ready to go? How are you feeling about leaving Smoky Mountains?
Sad.
And with the magic of editing, we traveled 517.6 miles from Dollywood to Cedar Point Shores. As I said, Cedar Point was named the best water park in the United States by Travel + Leisure magazine. This park has a huge amount of water slides. In fact, 68 rides for you to enjoy, where the average water park in the United States has around 15 to 20. Travel + Leisure magazine mentioned that this is one of the most popular spots for people to go to during the summer. Google searches for Cedar Point Shores top in the country with over 500,000 Google searches a month. That tells us that we should expect a pretty large crowd. Good thing they have a lot of water slides. Just like Dollywood Splash Country, Cedar Point Shores has a giant wave pool as well. And of course, Roman and Gracie loved it. What's really cool about this wave pool is that there's an awesome roller coaster just buzzing by you the entire time. So you're kind of like in an amusement park, but you're not. You're just right next to it. And also,
Welcome to Cedar Point Beach. Let's go check it out. Yeah.
and a bonus to a water park is you're right on the shore of Lake Erie in walking distance to Cedar Point Beach. Roman and Gracie had a blast just playing in the sand and swimming in the lake. The Cedar Point Hotel and watching the roller coasters go back and forth, there's really nothing like it. It's just a great atmosphere, very family friendly. We really enjoyed Cedar Point Beach and Cedar Point Shores. So Cedar Point Shores Water Park's been ranked #1 in the country. What is your guys' thoughts? We've been to Dollywood, we've been to Six Flags Water Park in Arizona. How's this ranked for you? What do you think?
This place was so fun. I really like it, but I feel like it should be top 2. Like, I like Dollywood more than this place because
Really?
lots of the rides were like closed and stuff. So
Well,
Some of
honestly,
the rides were closed.
yeah, some were, some were.
Like this one right here. And the giant tall one.
Yeah, even though there were a lot of rides closed, the wave pool was insane. I made like a bunch of new friends. It was just incredible.
So Dollywood was good. This place is good, right? Thumbs up.
Yeah, big thumbs up. Quad million thumbs up.
And just like that, our day at the beach and Cedar Point Shores was over. It was time to head back to the RV, just in time to enjoy a beautiful sunset over Sandusky Bay. Perfect ending to a wonderful day. But we hope that you get to come out to Cedar Point Shores or Dollywood Splash Country and see it for yourself. Between the two, we really enjoyed Dollywood Splash Country because we loved being up in the Smoky Mountains and just the natural beauty that surrounds the park. It's incredible. Cedar Point Shores, nearly 70 water slides, so you're going to have a blast when you go there. You really can't go wrong with either one. We love both of them, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Please pound that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.